It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Friday, February 25th, I believe, 26th. We had a winter storm overnight, and it is a mess, and it's still coming down. This is looking out our kitchen window at the main road. Look at all that snow on that bush right there. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. And the main road still is not totally clear. I had to get up and drive to work this morning because the superintendent did not call off for the schools till the very last minute. That's the tree across the street. The boughs are loaded with snow. So anyway, I ended up driving into work, and it was a mess. I could barely see to get there. Anyway, just wanted to share a little bit of the weather with you all down there in the Florida area. So, this is what winter looks like if you forgot. Nasty. Very nasty. Yuck. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.